Ever wonder why your LEAPS option can go up, but your profit goes down? That's not bad luck. That's the Greeks. Today, I'll show you the simple truth behind Delta, Theta, Vega, and Gamma in plain English. What are the Greeks? The Greeks are just numbers that tell you how your option reacts to price, time, and volatility. Think of them as the DNA of your LEAPS. Delta, your profit engine. Delta tells you how much your LEAPS moves when the stock moves. If delta is 0.70, your option moves about 70 cents when the stock moves $1. High delta equals strong profit power. This is why deep in the money LEAPS feel almost like owning shares. Theta. Time is your enemy. Theta tells you how much money you lose every day just for holding the option. Yes, you lose money even if price does nothing. LEAPS lose time slowly, but it speeds up in the final months. This is why smart traders roll or exit before the last 3-4 months. Vega, the hype meter. Vega tells you how much your option changes when volatility changes. When hype goes up, LEAPS get more expensive, even if price stays flat. When hype collapses after earnings, options lose value instantly. That's called IV crush. Gamma, the speed booster. Gamma controls how fast delta changes. High gamma means your profits accelerate faster, but so do your losses. LEAPS usually have low gamma, which is why they are smoother and safer. How smart traders use this. Smart traders buy LEAPS with high delta, low theta, moderate vega, and hold them during trend moves, not chop. They avoid holding through earnings unless volatility is part of the plan. Simple LEAPS rule set. Delta, 0.65, 0.85. Theta, as low as possible. Vega, don't overpay. Exit before final 90 days. So, stop guessing. Start trading with math on your side. Follow for more LEAPS education.